Is your internet crawling on your Android or iPhone even though you're paying for fast speeds? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you tested fixes that actually work in 2025 to speed up your connection instantly. Let me give you a reality check. Slow internet isn't always your provider's fault. Sometimes the problem is your phone settings, background apps, or even simple misconfigurations. The good news is, you don't need to install sketchy apps or root your device. These fixes are safe, simple, and tested. Alright, let's begin with fix number 1. The first proof is to clear your network congestion. First, reset your network connection. On Android, turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds and turn it off. On iPhone, do the same. This forces your phone to reconnect to the fastest tower or Wi-Fi channel available. It sounds basic, but in real-world tests, it instantly fixes laggy connections. Alright, let's move a little bit into your phone settings, and that's fix number 2. Adjusting DNS for faster browsing. Next, change your DNS settings. By default, your phone uses your ISP's DNS, which can be slow. Switching to Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS makes a huge difference. On both Android and iPhone, you'll find this private DNS under Network Settings. It's one of the most underrated speed hacks. On Android, open Settings. Go to Hotspot and Connections and then select Private DNS. Depending on your Android model, you may find this setting under somewhere else. So, to be pretty safe, once you open the Settings app, just search Private DNS. You will see it right away. Once you're here, it could be set as off or automatic by default. Change it to Private DNS Hostname Provider. We can use Google DNS or Cloudflare, depending on which one works best at your location. Google DNS is reliable, but Cloudflare is the fastest. So you get fast internet, right? To be safe, try the two and compare your internet speed, then stick to your preferred one. For Google DNS, type dns.google and tap Save. For Cloudflare DNS, type 1.1.1.cloudflaredns.com and tap Save. Restart your network using Fix 1 we talked about and test your internet speed. Alright, let's move to Fix 3. Background apps, killing your speed. Another big culprit? Background apps. Apps like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or cloud backups silently consume data, slowing everything else. To stop this, go into Settings, Data Usage, and restrict background data for apps you don't need running 24/7. Fix number 4, cache and browser cleanup. Slow browsing? Clear your cache. Old cookies, junk data, and overloaded browser apps can drag your connection. On Chrome or Safari, clear cache and cookies. It won't delete your logins if you keep passwords saved, but it will refresh your browsing speed. Fix number 5. And this brings us to Wi-Fi optimization. If you're on Wi-Fi, make sure you're connected to the right frequency. Use 5 GHz for speed and 2.4 GHz for longer range. Also, avoid interference. Microwaves, Bluetooth speakers, and even thick walls can kill your Wi-Fi performance. Fix number 6. The last resort is to perform network reset. If nothing works, do a full network settings reset. On Android, go to Settings, System, Reset Options. Reset Wi-Fi or mobile. On iPhone, reset network settings. This wipes bad configurations and gives you a clean slate. So there you go. Tested fixes that actually work in 2025 to fix slow internet on Android and iPhone. Try them out and let me know in the comments which one boosted your speed the most. If this helped, smash that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more PauTECtips tech hacks.